how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a quick Elemis unboxing. So this is one of the Elemis QVC Today's Special Values. And if you know anything about me, you will know I love Elemis and I love buying them at QVC when there's a Today's Special Value deal, because there is literally no better time to buy them. Seriously, the deals are incredible. So this latest offer launches today. No, seriously, like right now it's out. And it ends on Sunday the 6th of April. So you literally have a week to get your hands on it. It's worth £179, but it's being sold for just £70.92. It includes 3 skincare items, and let me show you what they are. So the first item is their Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This stuff is amazing and it's a monster-sized tub. It's 200 grams of pure joy, and I have it in the rose, but you can also get it in the original. And once you're done cleansing, you of course need a toner. And this is their amazing Soothing Apricot Toner. This is a 200ml bottle, and it's calming, soothing, and actually amazing. It leaves you like very fresh and glowy. And then finally, no QVC Today's Special Value would be complete without this. It is of course their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is the day version, but if you want, you can use it at night too, but it is more for day. This is a 30ml tub. So it will probably last around, 2, maybe 3 months. I always feel like you get a lot of bang for your buck with this one because a little goes a long way. And if you've never tried it, it's literally one of the best face creams in the entire world. And that, my friends, is the entire offer. So you get 3 items. It's worth £179. It's being sold for £70.92. Oh, and if you're new to QVC, you can use my refer a friend link, which will basically get you £10 off your first order. I think if you put my name at checkout, like all the details will be below. But yeah, if you put my name at checkout as your refer a friend person, you'll get £10 off, which makes this like £60.72, which is pretty amazing. But yeah, that's the entire offer. It's only available from now until Sunday. So if you want it, do hurry. And don't forget, you can choose between the 2 different cleansing balms, either the rose or the original. I don't know which one I would go for. The rose is gorgeous, but the original is also wonderful. It's really up to you. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.